Hey everyone, it's Mrs. Lee Decca. Today I'm going to be reading to you chapter 49 from Fish in a Tree by Linda Mullally Hunt, published by Puffin Books. Chapter 49 is called I See the Light. During break time, Albert and Keisha are talking about her new ideas for recipes. Jessica and Max and some other kids are laughing about something while Shay sits at her desk watching them. She seems like she's not sure what to do, which is an odd thing to see. Finally, she stands and walks over. However, they don't really acknowledge her, especially Jessica. Something about it reminds me of those empty Sunday dishes back when Shay and Jessica made me feel small for being me. Now it's hard to imagine feeling that way. Oliver is going from desk to desk. As he does, kids are holding their arms over their heads to make a big circle. Then he says something and they answer. When they do, he jumps and laughs. Finally, he gets to Shay, and I can hear what he's saying. Hold your arms up over your head to make a circle. She hesitates, but does it, which surprises me. Now, Oliver says, spell image, and then say light bulb. I-M-A-G-E, light bulb. Oliver jumps and laughs. Shay drops her arms. You're such a freak, Oliver. Go stink somewhere else. He goes to Keisha and they do the same thing with the arms, but she laughs afterward. And I feel happy for Oliver because I remember a time when he would have sat down and been sad after Shay had said something like that. Looking at Shay, I can tell she's looking around the room, wondering where she fits in now. Wondering how all of this happened. I remember how it felt to be alone in a room full of people, so I take a deep breath and head over. Hey, Shay. Now that I'm close to her, I can really see how upset she is. What do you want? I just thought I'd say hi. While she stares at me, all of the mean things she's done wind through my head, and I wonder if I've made a mistake in coming over. I think she says, we should call you Alley Cat from now on. Go bother someone else. At first, I'm surprised, but then I realize it wasn't a mistake to come over because it felt like the right thing. Shay's the one who decided to act mean, but at least I tried. I have to admit, though, I do feel sorry for her.